Ulaanbaatar. Welcome back, guys. The day has eventually come. The one we have been waiting for so long is to get this passive solar greenhouse with geothermal build on the go again this summer. Today, what we're going to plan to do is we are going to go up with the back wall and a bit on the side walls. This morning we were just starting to clean off, get everything ready. We have some family and friends here today, which is absolutely fantastic. Great to have some help.
The whole same team is coming.
Same team, exactly. And we're gonna get these walls done so we can start getting the roof on the greenhouse as soon as possible.
Yes.
We have the plants growing, so they need a greenhouse
As soon as possible.
as soon as possible. So let's get working.
Work, work, work.
Work, work, work.
You can do it, Ash. How do you feel back to mix the concrete?
This is how you mix concrete in Mongolia. We're not lazy, we don't use this concrete.
Machine.
Do it by hand.
Why are you breaking?
I'm breaking these ones because this is the back wall and it's important for it to be as solid as possible because it of course is a passive solar greenhouse. At the back wall we're going to fill everything with concrete, so it's going to be more solid so that all the sunlight that comes in the autumn and winter is going to hit the back wall and warm that up. So we want as big a thermal mass on the back wall as possible.
How's it going?
Yeah, good. Starting on the next level, since we're going to go 4 all the way around the front. So that's kind of our job today. And starting to fill up the back wall with concrete since we left it sealed over the winter to stop it from filling up with water. So we're filling that up. But the day's getting on, but we have a few days for this job, so we'll get it done.
Great job.
Yeah, it's good to get help.
Yeah.
It's a big job.
Exactly. Nice. Keep going.
It's getting late, but we're nearly done with what we needed to achieve today. We're going one more level around the entire greenhouse. So big job, but we're getting it done. Nearly there.
Wow, what a day.
Yeah, what a day, guys. Building bricks is a really tedious job, but we got what we needed to get done today. It's always a bit slow on the first day, but tomorrow we're gonna just speedily get through the back wall, get it all up.
We will crack on.
Yeah, we will crack on. Really excited to get this build on the way. Building bricks is not the most exciting. There's many more exciting things come with this greenhouse.
Yes.
So guys, we will see you in the morning. We're gonna go in, get something to eat, spend some time with Flame,
Yes.
and hit this tomorrow.
Yep.
Okay, guys, see you in the morning. Good night.
Bye.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
We are back at it. They delivered sand this morning
And more breaks.
and more bricks. Now we got to get cracking on. We're going to mix up some more concrete and start building up the back walls and the side walls. So let's get cracking on.
Yeah, let's get started.
Okay.
Start with to die.
Yeah. And it's great to have our trusty Mongolian driver helping us out.
Yes, yes, yes.
We are going the same as what we did last season, where you start with the corners and you get those into line on each side, and then we are going from one side to the other. We had a good thing going last time. Our trusty Mongolian driver is heading up the bricks, where Zula's dad is getting them square and I'm going behind them and filling up. It works. It's the fastest way to do it, so that's the way we're doing it. So we're just going to keep going.
Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive.
So what we're doing is a different compound of concrete. We're adding a lot more stones to the concrete. So this way we're going to fill up inside the concrete bricks at the back wall.
Great.
But hard work.
Yeah.
We want to fill every single hole on the back wall. It's very debatable because it takes a lot of time and a lot of concrete, where it's easy just to take a shortcut and do every second one or skip a few. But this is a very important step to make sure that this back wall is completely solid. Increasing the thermal mass is going to drastically increase the efficiency of this greenhouse in the cold time. So yeah, we've had a lot of discussions. People think we should miss it, but we need to get it done. It's an important part. Yeah.
Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. Yeah, I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive.
Really good job.
Yeah, I'm getting there.
Nice. Hard work, yeah? All the guys working so hard today. It's a really good job. Proud of you.
Thank you. Yeah, it was
Proud of everybody.
it was a tough day, but we got quite a lot done. We're not done yet. We have 2 more layers to go up, but everybody's pretty exhausted. So some people have gone home. We're gonna crash for the evening.
Yeah.
Go inside, make some dinner, and pick this up tomorrow. It will be a little bit less of us tomorrow, but we will get this done.
Yep. Yes.
Yeah, so once the bricks are done tomorrow, then hopefully we can start to get the outside garden fixed up as well, so we can start planting there.
Yes.
Yeah, but anyway, guys, see you tomorrow.
See you guys.
Good night.
Good night.
Not long ago, you got hurt, someone did you wrong. I can see it in your eyes, it's like your fire is gone. Across your face, it is written across your face.
Today is our 3rd day of building the walls. It's a really hot day and then get windy. Otherwise it's okay. Only 3 of them working today. It's a bit tough for them. But hopefully we will finish today. We will see.
The final layer of bricks. I'll be glad to get this brickwork done. Whew.
Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. Deep down, I know you're strong. Give them hell, baby, prove them wrong. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. I know you'll get up again.
Today we ordered a small digger to come back and help us to flatten out around the greenhouse,
Yes.
especially the front area.
Hi, Monica.
Especially the front area where we want to plant vegetables outside. We want to get that flattened out so we can start to till it and get it ready for planting.
Yes.
So that's the last job today. We want to get that done.
Yes. Oh, Monica.
Bring him.
Say hi. Say
Hello. That little boy, say hello.
chicka.
Okay, let's get that done.
Yeah.
So we have a new guy that's doing the digging, so we kind of had to explain our vision and our idea to him, exactly what we need him to do. So let's see if he can get this right. Come, I show you. This area in front of the greenhouse is going to be for all our outdoor vegetables. So we want him to really level it all out as much as he can so that we can start to till that area. And I can show you over here. Down here in front of the greenhouse is still quite a lot of dirt that is piled up with rocks. We want to scrape it so we can have nice grass growing this side as well, and on the other side as well. We're going to take that back. We're not going to go all the way around and clean all of it because that's going to be for a future project that we're going to do something there. But I'm happy if he can get this done. It's a big job to do by hand, so very exciting. Nice to have a day and just watch other people work. Hey baby,
Eh?
this is the best time. We had 3 days of building bricks.
Oh, yes.
Now we get to just sit and relax and watch other people work.
I get a little starstruck when I see him. I couldn't hate him even if I tried. Am I a little crazy to believe that I could wake up with him by my side? I know I could get his attention if I worked it all out. And we got a little tipsy on a Saturday night. Yeah, I want him and I need him. He's got a one-way ticket to my heart.
Fantastic. We have got this part of the geothermal greenhouse build done. We have gone up with the walls, so now the bricks are done. We've got the digger to come and flatten out all where we can have the outdoor garden. We're on the go. I think we're going to call it for today on this video and pick it up next time when we start building the greenhouse and maybe a little bit outside.
Yes.
Thank you guys again for all your comments that you put down in the video, and we wanted to ask you a question. What do you think is the easiest way to kind of get rid of all the stones inside the outdoor garden? Is it kind of to do it by hand, or is there some machine that can help the job to get all the big stones out, because that seems like a big job?
Yeah.
So guys, if you can put in the comments down below if you have any suggestions, that would be so great.
Yeah, exactly.
Guys, thank you so much, and don't forget to check out our Patreon page. We're thinking of coming up with some sort of reward for our Patreons. Maybe we're gonna have their names engraved in the greenhouse when it's finished. Yeah, we'll come up with something cool. So guys, thank you so much, and we will see you really soon.
Bella!
Ciao.
Where's that?
Bye.
This looks really nice and big.
I get a little starstruck when I see him. I couldn't hate him even if I tried. Am I a little crazy to believe that I could wake up with him by my side?
Get this geothermal. How does you do that? You can do it. Say it. Okay.
Okay. Oh yeah.
Ready for war!
You look like a tourist.
Tourist.
Let's go.
So good.
What? And work. What? You can do